Hey everyone, welcome back to Nerds Platform. We are hearing about the black fungus nowadays in India. So, what is this black fungus? What happens? How this will happen to the patient? And what precautions we have to take? We'll discuss now. More than 5,400 cases of mucormycosis, which is locally called as black fungus, have been registered so far in 18 states in India, that is majorly from Gujarat and Maharashtra. Rajasthan, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu states even declared this black fungus as notifiable disease under the Epidemic Disease Act 1897, whereas the central government declared this black fungus as an epidemic. Black fungus or mucormycosis. This is a life threatening disease which has infected COVID 19 patients as well as recovered patients. So, this is usually present in the environment and it will enter the patient's body through nose in the form of spores. So, this fungus usually surrounds the blood vessels and then destroys them, resulting in tissue necrosis, which is also known as death of the body tissue. This may even lead to death of the person. Let's discuss the symptoms. The symptoms include nasal blockage, discharge from nose, facial pain, swelling, numbness, blurred vision, double or watery vision. How to protect yourself from this black fungus? First of all, maintain good hygiene. Good hygiene and clean surroundings are very important. Secondly, oral hygiene. For this, you have to use good mouthwash and regularly gargle. This will prevent the entry of black fungus. Then, avoid or reduce the unnecessary usage of steroids, antibiotics, antifungals, as this will result in growth of unnecessary bacteria and organisms. If you are in hospital, use sterile water for humidification. Check for no leakage in the humidifier. Eat food that increase your immunity. Eat more vitamin C fruits. Avoid dusty areas like construction buildings or the ground. And avoid gardening. If you cannot avoid it, if it is mandatory, then use proper tools like gloves, rubber gloves, mask and boots. Keep your surroundings free of dust and dampness, as this dust and dampness will increase the chance of the fungus in your area. And exercise regularly. Try to stay indoors and do a regular workout.